Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through switching to TurboTax from another tax software smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to turbotax.com. Sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, choose the option to start a new tax return. TurboTax will ask if you used another tax software last year. Select Yes, then choose the software you previously used. You'll be prompted to upload a PDF of your prior return or enter key details manually. This helps TurboTax transfer important information automatically. Review the imported data carefully for accuracy before continuing. Answer the remaining questions step by step as guided. Save your progress often, and you can switch devices anytime. Once finished, review everything and proceed to file confidently using TurboTax. This method ensures a smooth transition while keeping your tax data secure and organized safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.